Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the net profit and net profit margin guys. So guys, these two terms are really important if you are in a business or you are in a retail industry or even you are a student or in a financial industry. So these two terms are really important guys. So first of all, how to find out the net profit on calculator. So there is a simple formula I will show you to find out the net profit. Is total revenue minus total expense equal to net profit guys. So guys, total revenue is like your total sales, total income is like total revenue guys, and total expense it include all your expenses, your bills, your cost of the product, your lending cost, operation cost, everything guys. So simple, for example, we have a revenue of like 75,000 rupees or dollars, okay, and we have a expense of like 25,000. So simply we minus the 25,000 with 75,000. So what we will do, 75,000 minus 25,000 guys. So the answer is 50,000. Okay guys, so this is our net profit. So this is the first step. So net profit we already calculated. Now the second step is how to find out the net profit margin, and here is the formula for net profit margin. So this is really important guys. So net profit margin equals to net profit that we already calculated divided with total revenue, and we have to multiply with 100 guys. So our net profit was 50,000, okay, divided with our total revenue. Total revenue, as I already told you in the beginning, is 75,000. Okay guys, the next step we have to multiply with 100. So multiply 100 equals, so this is 66.66% is the net profit margin guys. So net profit margin is always in the percentage form guys. So this is how we find out the net profit margin. So I will show you one more example. Let's say we have a total revenue, let's say 160,000 rupees or dollars or whatever currency, and our total expense is, let's say, 90,000. So 160,000 minus 90,000 guys. This is the first step. So 70,000 is our total net profit. Now we will use this formula. So net profit divided by total revenue. So net profit is 70,000 and we divided it with total revenue, which was 160,000 guys. And then we multiply with 100 according to the formula, and our answer is 43.75% guys. So this is our net profit margin. So I will show you one more example to make it clear for you. So I will show you with the formula. So first formula is here, net profit equal to total revenue minus total expense. So total revenue, let's say we have 170,000, okay, and we have expense, let's say this time is 150,000, okay. So here is our answer, 20,000 is our net profit, okay. Now the second step is we have to find out the net profit margin. So the net profit margin is net profit divided with total revenue. So 20,000 is our net profit. We divided it with 170,000, which was our total revenue, and then we multiply with 100 equals to 11.76. So 11.76% is our net profit margin guys. So guys, this is how we find out the net profit and net profit margin on calculator guys. So guys, I hope you understand the video. I hope you understand the concept. So please like the video, please do subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much guys.